Personality tests are commonly used to help people understand how they behave across situations at work, at home, with friends, with family. Your personality refers to your behavioral patterns, your tendencies, your preferences, the way you are most of the time. Personality can change, but it does so slowly. Generally, we think of personality as being a fairly stable trait. The results from reliable, valid personality tests can be used to better understand how people deal with conflict, how they're motivated in the workplace, how they solve problems and make decisions, and how they cope with stressful situations. There are hundreds of different personality tests available to us, but the most popular ones are not always the best ones. The revised Neo personality inventory is probably one of the best options as it's based on Macrea and Costa's Big Five personality dimensions. This personality framework is the most well researched, and there is plenty of evidence that the Big Five dimensions predict important outcomes like retention and performance. The Big Five dimensions are listed here. Emotional stability refers to how relaxed and secure someone is. Extroversion refers to the degree that someone is sociable, talkative, and gets their energy from being around other people. Openness refers to someone's independence, creativity, willingness to try new things. Agreeable people tend to be cooperative, friendly, and willing to work with others. Individuals who are conscientious are hardworking, reliable, and tend to be organized. I intentionally removed any mention of the Myers-Briggs Type Indicator, the MBTI, because we want you to stop using it. Instead, choose personality tests that are based on the Big Five framework or that have been shown to be reliable and valid in a court of law. Also, use the results of any personality test with caution. They are not perfect, and the results aren't always valid. They don't always mean what they appear to mean. In other words, a personality test may indicate that someone is not open to new experiences, when in reality, they are.